Assalamualaikum, welcome to our channel. In the previous video we have learned the chapter 1 first half summary. Now it is the second half summary of FSC Biology part 1. Let's start. Biological method. Facts to remember. Biological method begins with observation through 5 senses. Tentative explanation of observation is called hypothesis. 2 ways to formulate hypothesis are deductive reasoning and inductive reasoning. Deductive reasoning moves from general to specific. For example, we say that all leaves are green, so the leaves in laboratory are also green. Inductive reasoning moves from specific to general. For example, if a snake bites a person, he dies. So we conclude that if any snake bites any person, he will die. Hypothesis subjected to rigorous testing. Accepted hypothesis form theory quite simple. Good theories are predictive and explanatory. A productive theory is that which suggests new and different hypotheses. Scientific law is the uniform or constant fact of nature which is irrefutable or unchangeable theory. Biology is short in laws because of elusive nature of life, which is changeable. The second is services to mankind. Facts to remember are plants having foreign DNA incorporated into their cell are called transgenic plants. Production of genetically identical copies of organism or cell by asexual reproduction is cloning. Very important definition. In biological control, living organisms are used to control other pathogenic organisms to compete or eat. Aphid attack walnut trees and is controlled by a wasp, which is parasite of aphid. Just like that, wasp attack aphid while attacking walnut tree. All relevant and appropriate method of disease control together is termed as integrated disease management. Very important definitions already been asked in the PPSC exams. In hydroponic culture techniques, plants are grown in aerated water to which nutrient mineral salts are added to check whether a particular nutrient is essential is not. This technique can be used to grow vegetables. Type of disease control. These are preventive measures. AIDS stand for acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, is caused by HIV, which is human immunodeficiency virus. Abbreviations are very important. AIDS spread through free sexual contact, which is very important MCQs and have been asked that which disease spread through free sexual contact. Blood transfusion, contaminated syringes or instruments. Hepatitis is caused by hepatitis virus, which may be ABC. It spread through blood transfusion. The second is vaccination. Edward Jenner discovered vaccination in 1796 in cowpox pus. In Urdu, peep, known as vacca. Organisms are vaccinated to make them immune against disease like polio, whooping cough, measles, mumps. Smallpox is a disease which is completely eliminated from world using vaccine. It is most important that the only one disease which have been eradicated from the whole planet using vaccines. Those organisms or pathogens which causes this disease are killed and then inserted into the organisms which produce immunity against them, and when the real enemies entered the organismic body, they produce immunity against them, and it is a fact of vaccinations. Third is drug treatment. Antibiotics are drugs which kill bacteria. Radiotherapy and chemotherapy are used to treat cancer. Very important. Shortwave radiation are used to eliminate cancerous cells. In chemotherapy, anti-cancer chemical may kill both cancerous and normal cells. That's why chemotherapy is dangerous. Isolating a normal gene and inserting into the host cell through bone marrow is called gene therapy. It is also very important definition in PPSC exam. Cloning. It is a technology for achieving eugenic aims, producing identical offsprings in population. Clone is a cell or individual and its asexually produced offspring. In 1997, first sheep was cloned in Scotland named Dolly. Later, mice and cows were cloned. It is very important to remember that 3 animals which were cloned: mice, cows and sheep. Cloning is done by removing nucleus of fertilized egg, inserting nucleus from other somatic cell, and is then implanted into a womb. Protection and conservation of environment. Important facts to remember. Removal or degradation of environmental pollutants or toxic material by living organism is called bioremediation. or biological remediation. Algae reduce pollution of heavy metals and used in river, lakes, also on land. Exhaust from automobile add lead in atmosphere. The species which are about to extinct are endangered species. Extinct means completely finished. Fishes in Pakistan are most adversely affected by water pollution. So the water pollution are affecting mostly fishes. That's all about the FSC Biology Chapter 1, and all these points, if remembered, will ensure your attempt in PPSC exams. Thanks for watching. Please pray for us and support. Allah Hafiz.